As you see here, this has a connection for connecting either to the nitrous or carbon dioxide. This can be connected. In this way, this is the yoke and a screw to fit. Once fitted properly, we can open the nitrous cylinder with the use of this. The pressure gauge here shows that it should be on the green area. If the pressure is too low, it will be on the yellow area. If the pressure is too high, it will be on the red area. So we keep the pressure on the green area. As you see that this gun has a pistol handle, a probe which is made of ceramic and a metal tip. When this is applied to the tissue and we press this, one can see a formation of eyes. Stop. Nitrous comes through this, and on the tip you can see formation of crystal. When this is applied to the tissue, there is freezing of the tissue, condensation of the water, resulting in death and necrosis of the cells. Once the desired procedure is over, you can release this trigger and this will get cooled off. This is the main attachment which can be used for attaching either to nitrous or carbon dioxide cylinder. This is the pressure reducing valve, and this has a yoke which fits, and this is the key to open and close the cylinder. This instrument is manufactured by Galtron Electromedicals from Mumbai. You can see this dial which has 3 color codes. The yellow one indicates low pressure, the green indicates adequate pressure, while the red indicates that the pressure is too high for the cryoquarter. The pressures are given in PSI. The correct pressure is between 500 to 1000 kilogram per square. These cryoprobes are available in different size and different shapes. This is the one which is most commonly used for cervix. You can see another cryoprobe here which has a narrow tip. This can be used for condyloma or very small lesions. Stop. This cryoprobe is interchangeable. As you can see, here is a small metal nozzle through which the gas comes under pressure and is suddenly released. This sudden release of the gas causes condensation and cooling. We can change this probe with another probe. And use for small lesions or for condyloma. This is the most delicate part of the instrument, and one should take care of this joint.